Hi, I'm Jason Tabuzo. I'm a performance marketing expert with over 12 years of experience working across a range of industries, from travel to B2B SaaS to e-commerce to health and wellness. My primary expertise and deepest level of knowledge is in paid media, managing ad campaigns from Meta to Google to TikTok and more. Across each of my roles, I've used data and rapid creative testing and close collaboration cross functionally to scale spend and hit performance goals. A couple of highlights in my experiences. Most recently, I was at AI powered performance marketing agency MadMen AI, where I led the ad creation and managed ads accounts for 10 different clients who ranged from a B2B home services brand, a health beverage brand, and an education industry lead gen brand. Prior to that, I was at Pet Honesty, a pet supplements brand selling across both D2C and Amazon, where I led the growth marketing effort, supporting both sides of the business. I built collaboration processes between the marketing and creative teams, launched their TikTok shop, and developed a creator program where we invited over 400 creators to promote the brand on TikTok. Prior to that, I led the growth team at anti-aging skincare brand Curology, where we grew their new spin-off brand from 0 to 16,000 customers and achieved a 75% reduction in CAC within 1 year. There are many other examples that I'm happy to share if we continue the conversation, but overall, I'm experienced in building, managing, and providing the strategy of digital paid advertising. I can work independently or fit within your existing team. And if this excites you, let's not hesitate any longer. Please reach out. Thank you for your time.